Hello student, today we are going to see NCERT example problem. It's 4.9, ninth problem from 4th chapter. It's a class 11 physics. Okay, first we will see what is given in the question. Okay, the velocity of initially the object is thrown at some angle. Okay, the velocity of the object is thrown, it is going to be 28 meter per second. Okay, it's come under the projectile motion. Okay, the angle of projection from the earth is 30 degree. Okay, the angle of projection theta is going to be 30 degree. Okay, now they asked what is the range of the what is the maximum height. Okay, what is the maximum range, what is the time is taken. Okay, maximum height, maximum range, and what is the time of flight. These are the three questions is taken, they asked. Okay, first height formula, v naught square sin square theta divided by 2g. It is the maximum height. Okay, the range, maximum range, I'll write here. Maximum range is equal to v naught square sin 2 theta divided by g. It is the maximum range. Maximum time of flight 2v naught sin theta divided by g. These are the three formulas, you should keep it in mind. This is, we have to learn from projectile motion. It's a normal derivation only. Okay, now one by one we have to find. First one, maximum height. Okay, velocity, initial velocity only, v naught is initial velocity, no need to get confusion. Okay, maximum height is equal to v naught is 28 times of square sin 30, okay, divided by 2g. 9.8 only you can take it because easy to calculate here. Okay, when you are not able to calculate easily, mean that time you can take it as a gravitation as a 10. So 28 into 28 sin 30 1 by 2, it's also square. Okay, it also square. So it is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 divided by 2 times of 9.8. Okay, in this problem I am going to do it how to do calculation also. This is called 14 and this is called 14. So 14 into 14 divided by 2 into 9.8. Okay, when you are cancelling this, will get 7 times. Okay, this 2 multiplication will be 98. Okay, this going to be 9.8. So just multiple 10 on numerator and denominator. So we'll get what we'll get, no, 98 divided by 980 divided by 98, which is going to call us the 10 meter. So the maximum height of the object can be traveled as 10 meter. So first question is over. Okay, so maximum height of the object will be 10 meter. The next one, maximum time of flight, I am going to calculate. So time of flight, the next calculation we are going to do maximum time of flight. So TF, time taken for a projectile motion. Okay, this all the derivation you can learn from projectile motion, time of flight. If you want, you can go and see in my playlist. Okay, I am given 2 times of v naught sin theta divided by g. Okay, so 2 into 28 sin 30, again sin 30 1 by 2, sin 30 degree 1 by 2 divided by 10. So 2 into 28 into 1 divided by 2, this is going to be 14. So 14 divided by 10. Okay, so 2 into 28 divided by 10, so approximately will get 2.8 second. Okay, actually 2.9 when you are taken, if you are taken 9.8 means you will get 2.9 second. Okay, so it's so this will get 0.1 second as a error. Definitely you should take it as a 9.8 here. Okay, when you are taken 9.8, the answer is going to be a 2.9 second. Okay, then okay, third one, range, r is equal to v naught square sin 2 theta divided by g. So v naught is how much? 28 into 28, because v naught square sin 2 theta, 2 times of 30 degree will get as a 60 degree divided by 9.8. So 28 into 28, this value it's sin 60, root 3 by 2, which will get 14 divided by 9.8. So 28 into 14, root 3 will be 1.73 approximately divided by 9.8. The answer for the range of the object can move 69 meter. Finally. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.